What's up, Spartans? My name is Emerald Green, my pronouns are she, her, and hers, and I have the pleasure of serving as the program director for the Black Leadership and Opportunity Center, also known as the BLOC, here at San José State University. I'd like to welcome you to the fall semester. Whether you're joining us this fall as you begin your collegiate journey, or you're continuing your educational journey at SJSU, whether you're taking classes in person or remotely this semester, we hope to see you accessing the many events and services that we provide throughout the year to the Black Spartan community. We do this through cultural, leadership, academic, and mentoring programs and services. Here at SJSU, we are committed to serving, empowering, uplifting, and advocating for students that identify as or with the Black African diaspora. We acknowledge with respect that Blackness is not a monolith, and we welcome and appreciate the diversity of thought and experiences within our community. We know that starting something new can be challenging, and you may have questions along the way. As an incoming Black student, we invite you to attend the upcoming New Black Spartan Institute, a pre-matriculation program centering Black student success here at SJSU. You don't want to miss out on this. I encourage you to check your SJSU email and register to confirm your attendance. Some resources that I would like to highlight that we offer students here at the BLOC are student success workshops, peer mentoring, career center support, access to counseling and psychological services, also known as CAPS, peer connections tutoring, opportunities to build positive and healthy relationships with Black faculty and staff members. One of the amazing opportunities that San José State University offers is access to over 400 recognized student organizations. Here at the Black Leadership and Opportunity Center, we have an opportunity to support UMOJA, the coalition of Black student organizations, who each historically have an interest and mission in serving Black African American students on our campus. Our Black student organizations are all different, with some centering academic and honors, social, community, civic engagement, gender identity, religion and spirituality, and historically Black Greek life. We have something for everyone to get connected to. As an alumni of SJSU, I know firsthand how important it is for students to have access to spaces where they can find a community of Black faculty, staff, and students that have a shared cultural background to better support them throughout their collegiate journey as a Spartan. So you may be asking, Emerald, how do I join the BLOC? Great question. You do not need to sign up to take part in the community. Simply stop by the center where you can meet our professional and student staff, tap into our virtual and in-person programming as your schedule allows, and stay connected to our weekly newsletter, website, YouTube, and social media accounts to stay informed about what's happening at the center. Should you have any questions or need support in any way, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at emerald.green@sjsu.edu. We want to see you thrive, and I hope that you will allow us to be a part of your collegiate journey here as a Black Spartan.